returned, crops began to show. Meanwhile, they studied stars to know the year. Instead of fear, they trusted what was clear. On the other hand, not all was fair. Slaves and workers carried loads they had to bear. So ancient Egypt left stories to the world. Mysteries and secrets are still unfurled. Temples, gods, and stories untold. Pharaohs, treasures made of shining gold. With history